Hey guys, it's Danny the Medic. Welcome to the channel. Now I just finished playing some slot machine over there, the Brian Christopher slot machine, and I won $20. So let's go get something to eat right here at the Plaza. Oh, by the way, if you want to see the session, check out my gambling channel, Vegas Gambling with Danny the Medic. All right, now let's go get something to eat. So the slot lady inside the slot area over there told me that she really enjoys the chicken from this here Mexican place. So let's go get some chicken, guys. Chicken. All right, guys, so I got a chicken bowl. Now let's find a nice quiet place to eat this. There's a lot of music going on in here. All right, so I found a quiet spot next to the bingo room on the 3rd floor. So let's take a closer look at this chicken bowl. All right, it doesn't look like much, but we'll give it a try. Here we go. Ooh, the slot lady was right. This is a good piece of chicken. I shouldn't have asked for the hot sauce though. Woo! I said the red sauce, and the guy put the red hot sauce. I meant that one of the chunks of tomato. I don't usually order this kind of stuff, guys. Got the yellow rice going on over here. It's pretty good. But for $12.50, I think I can do better. Simply because of the size of the bowl. It's quite small, guys. You know how it is when you're expecting something a little bit bigger, and it turns out to be quite small. Yeah. So overall, I'll say this is an 8. It's just not bad at all. Thank you for watching this here Mexican chicken thing at the Plaza Casino in downtown. New Vegas video every Friday. Free water. There was just like a whole thing of these waters for you to just take from the casino section. Help yourself. All right,